siren, it's really loud. Guys, this is... I'm not crying. It's not loud. Whoa. Primary or secondary? So that's what it sounds like. You're quieter than the ambulance. It got mad at the bird, maybe. The birds are gone. The birds are gone. Whoa. So guys, what you were saying today, can you stop interrupting? Okay, anyway, what you were hearing is a Puntledge River siren. It's really loud to the others, but not me. As you see, I'm not sure what this is, but it's a combination with the desc maybe. Yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. I've been waiting for this day for quite a while, so bye guys. I'm going to enjoy watching more of the siren, so bye guys. Like and subscribe.